Theodora, you're a dental hygienist based in London and you're working at the Cure Dental Clinic. How is the clinic? Could you explain it to me?
Absolutely. Yes, the Cure Dental Clinic, our main focus in the dental clinic is prevention. So we work very closely with Cureprot's products. We have a system prevention one, and we have many specialists under one roof, so we can offer many services to patients if need be.
You're also an ITOP instructor and you personally play a huge focus on individually trained oral prophylaxis. Why is it so important for you?
I think with the ITOP, it basically means individually trained oral prophylaxis. So it's really going back to basics and really coaching the patient with oral hygiene. I think particularly within dentistry, sometimes with regards to timing, it's a little bit short and we don't always put the emphasis on oral hygiene. So with the ITOP, this is offering a separate service or integrating this service into appointments where you can really coach the patient on toothbrushing, into dental cleaning and other oral hygiene instructions, but at a really deep level with intent, so that you can actually maintain the patient, motivate the patient and empower them for their cleaning at home.
So why is it so important also for dental professionals who have been into the profession for quite some time, in industry for quite some time? Why is it so important for them to attend the ITOP seminar?
Well, I think in particular at university, there's not a lot of emphasis on oral hygiene. So even dental hygienists, therapists, we don't have that level of oral hygiene. And also it's about recalling as well. So you can be taught something one time, but if you're not always practicing it, then obviously anything like that can fade. So with the ITOP, you have recalls every year as well as an ITOP teacher, and doing the courses can really help continue your knowledge on individual coaching with oral hygiene for your patients. So it's just taking it back to basics and actually helping dental professionals really understand the importance of oral hygiene and teaching them little tips and tricks of the trade, really.
So you're teaching them a little tips and tricks. So what do you teach them in terms of toothbrushing, but also in terms of interdental brushing?
Yeah, so I mean, obviously, as dental professionals, we all know the basics of how to clean one's teeth. But sometimes, if we're not doing it all the time, then absolutely it can fade. So with the toothbrushing and the interdental, it's more touch to teach. So we call it touch to teach because we are with the patient or the delegate at the time of training, and we're really putting emphasis on the toothbrushing technique, but actually showing the patient or delegate by touch to teach. So we're really in the patient's mouth, we're showing them how to brush, we're asking them to demonstrate back to us. So it's how you speak with the patient as well, and this is what you learn on the courses. So there's certain ways that you can communicate with your patient with regards to oral hygiene. With the interdental brushes, again, there's lots of different ways that you can use our interdental brushes, but interdental brushes in particular. So there's not just one way of using an interdental brush. So this is again where we go into the depths of how to use the interdental brush in different ways for different patients, because we must remember that patients are all individual and they should be treated, every treatment should be tailored to the individual. So there's different ways that you can help patients with those.
Exactly. So everyone needs an individual treatment.
Absolutely.
But everyone should also have healthy gums and healthy teeth,
Absolutely,
right?
yes. And this is the main focus with what we do in the Cure Dental Clinic with Prevention One, with our products. We like to offer our products through education, because generally with good oral health, you're promoting good general health, and that's our main focus.
Yes. And you hear the Cologne show.
Yes.
What has been the feedback of
Oh, absolutely. I mean, patients, delegates, just love the products. In particular, the Black is White toothpaste. Everybody is interested in the Black is White toothpaste. We have the new Black is White chewing gum as well, which is very exciting. So a lot of interest around that. And of course, our toothbrushes and interdental brushes, which everybody just loves.
Okay. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.